Fetch AI continues to see higher prices, and at the time of this recording, Fetch AI is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies above the 0.949. And the moment you manage to break above that, maybe with a retest, I will continue expecting higher prices in a move that is obeying the 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗔 structures. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade on Fetch AI, check out BINANCE, which is giving you up to 5,000 USDT in rewards, and you can claim up to that USDT in sign-up bonuses. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Getting back to the charts, you can see that after seeing a massive breakdown move on the 5th of August, we saw a low below the $0.7 before we started another bounce to the upside in a move that I'm terming as this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗔_1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗔_1, we started a bit of a breakdown move in this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗔𝗔_2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this retarget area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place in this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗔𝗔_2, and Fetch AI is now ready for another explosive move to the upside in this larger 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗔𝗃_3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃_1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the $1.146. And for that to play out, we first need to see Fetch AI give us a number of confirmations, and the first confirmation will be given the moment we manage to break above the high for this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃_1, which perfectly lies above the 0.929. The moment you manage to break above that and also break above resistance at the 0.949, then that will be enough confirmation that we are now getting impulsive, and we can easily see another push to the upside, getting us back above the dollar mark and give us a high above the $1.148 in the next coming hours. And in case of any sudden pullbacks from the current prices, then we need to watch out for support within this retarget area. This retarget area needs to continue holding, and if by any chance we get a pullback into the area and maybe at some point we lose the retarget area, then I will be expecting a total breakdown move to the key area of support at the 0.7, where we can find support and get another bounce back. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis and the bull market target areas. Basing my analysis on the 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗔 structures, you can see that after getting our bear market lows last year, we saw an aggressive bounce, giving us a high above the 3.479 in a move that I'm terming as an 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃_1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃_1, we started a breakdown move in this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃_2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place in that second wave, and Fetch AI is ready for an aggressive bounce to the upside, taking us to all-time highs in this larger 𝗕𝗖𝗃_3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the bear market lows to that high, then dragging the fibs to the low that we have at the moment in this 𝗕𝗖𝗃_2, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the $5.982 as our minimum target area. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term, and those are my bull market target areas and also my short term target areas. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.